I don't get it. What do you mean?
It's clean here! Completely clean! Where is everything? I left it all here!
Oh, lost your stuff again?
Not just any stuff, and no, I didn't lose it. Maybe some of it.
Did you already forget about the cool organizer that we just made?
Phew, I just didn't think it could fit all my stuff.
You're funny. It was you who showed me where and what I should put, remember? Hi guys! Today we will save you from messes.
And if it's an artistic mess?
Well, then it's even better. Because we're making an
expandable desktop organizer with several sections.
Right. We've already prepared and glued the paper onto our parts. You'll have to do the same. Check out the measurements. And I have the glue gun here. Let's start assembling.
Yes, and we'll see the results soon. I am looking forward to it.
It will come out awesome, I promise. I know what I'm talking about. But it is important to make everything in a certain order like I do. So we apply the glue here just like this. Be careful with hot glue, guys. Then we attach the part really carefully. There we go, and hop. Let's see what's coming out. The base for our organizer is ready.
And what about these skis? I haven't seen them before. Are they for me?
Skis? I love your imagination. But yes, they do look like skis a bit.
If not skis, then a snowboard or a skateboard. I confuse them all the time.
That's another interesting option. But actually, these are the side walls. 1 and 2.
It looks like a 2-level house. Are you sure it's an organizer?
Oh yeah, but it's only the beginning. Though it already looks like a palace that needs a door.
If it's a palace, then this is a front door.
The first section is ready.
Holy cannoli, I'm so happy. Sam to Sue, do you read me? Did you prepare the parts?
Sure, check out these awesome parts. We'll glue them all together and get the second section.
Woohoo! I am ready. Can we glue it now?
We'll start with these parts and attach them carefully on the sides. Up. Awesome!
It's a flying carpet with sidewalls! Take off!
Our flight continues. We need to draw some marks on the sides. We'll take the ruler and mark here. This is 1, and one more time here. This is 2.
And glue. Don't spare it. And then we need to glue it together.
And another part on top, like this. We need to work carefully.
And assemble a maze. Right, Sue? Listen, you glue everything so fast. I'm shocked. And I'm a great helper, right? I'm working hard.
Yes, you're an excellent helper as always. One more part. And the stairs for our organizer are ready.
It's logical since every house should have a staircase, especially in an organizer palace like ours.
And here is the landing. Does it look like one? I think yes.
The second house is coming together real fast. I'll go start on the third one.
Oh, it's coming out so beautifully. And that's not all.
The workday's done, Sue. I did my best and put all my heart into it.
Great, Sammy. We can get to the small parts right away. Parts like these. Guys, take a closer look so you can make the same ones. We need to mark the spots for the holes. Here. Plus here and here. Don't forget to mark all the holes.
This time we will need a magic wand. A stick, like this one.
We will insert it here like this. Looks cool, right?
I don't get it yet. What should we get in the end?
Do you remember how you're supposed to behave while making a craft? What do you have to show?
Maybe courage or guts. Bravery. Oh, no, I got it. Patience.
Correct. So just be patient for now.
Then we have these parts too. I prepared them long ago.
Let's attach this here. Right onto the body. Awesome. The parts are moving. It means it's working, Sammy.
I told you. It was a magic wand. This stick. And here are the magic binoculars, Sue.
Ooh, cool. I knew I had to trust decor to you.
If you hadn't trusted me with the decoration of those paper rolls, I would.
Oh, what? What would you do?
I would have decorated something else.
Something else? You're so funny, Sammy. Don't worry. All the decor in this craft is yours. And let's test it. The stopper is on the right spot.
It's moving! It's working! Hooray!
And the final touch. Hop. Sam, are you done yet?
Sure, ma'am. Don't worry, I am the master of crafts.
Great. The base for the 4th section looks a little bit like the first one.
Then we should move on to the things that are different, right?
Okay, let's do speed gluing. Here are all the parts.
Wow! I'll do the timekeeping. Ready?
Yep. 1, 2, 3. To do a good job.
Go, Sue! I believe in you, guys. Give a thumbs up to support Sue.
And attaching the last part.
59.99. Great job, Sue.
Let's place the assembled part into the 4th section. There we go. Great.
Oh, wow. This section is ready too.
Phew, all the sections are ready. We did just super awesome. No, amazingly awesome, Sammy.
Let's have a look at them, Sue.
They look cool, don't they? What do you think?
Yeah, but something's missing.
Oh, don't worry, Sammy. We'll fix it now. It's easy peasy.
Here's the rainbow. Is this the thing we need?
Yes. Now let's glue each sheet to each other. I'm placing our colorful accordion into the organizer. Here we go. Now I'll apply the glue to the upper part like we did before. And then I'll glue this upper part to the door.
In the end, we've got, what is it actually, I wonder? Rainbow folders! Woohoo! Bright and rich, I love them so much.
And a piece of craft foam to open the door. We glue it right here. Right. Great. Voila, everything's ready and it's awesome. Soon we'll see our organizer assembled. There's just a bit left to do. Okay, let's see. On top of this section, we'll make a bright board for notes.
For important notes, the ones that I like the most. Yes, yes.
Yes, yes, for the most important note, Sammy. Anything for you to make you happy.
I have a marker for this.
Then we will defo attach it here. And don't forget to add some decoration. Up. And the lower part of this section will be decorated like this. Check it out, guys.
What are those for? I don't get it. Sue, tell me.
Here we will register all the thumbs ups this video will get. Amazing! Here's the final look of the section. Decorated and functional.
Watch out, I'm carrying a very fragile tower! Whoa! I warned you.
Whoosh! We'll make it sturdier.
Let's give it a try. Aha! They open easily.
Oh, and where did this come from?
I did it myself while you were very busy with the drawers. I also decorated the 3rd section.
Oh, wow, great job! Let me take a look. Oh, this section is also beautiful.
Just one section to go. Are you ready?
Sure, let's glue a piece of craft foam here. Smooth it out like this and insert the inner part we made before. It'll hold well now.
Did you forget something?
You used the tape to stick them?
There was no other way.
Let's glue the rolled up craft foam pieces here.
Don't forget, I need a cork board. I've always dreamed about it.
As you say.
Oh.
Here you go. Let lots of useful memos appear here. And here's the pen with paper for notes. And now pay attention, guys. Find two differences. Any guess? Check it out, guys. Awesome, right?
And how does all this transform into one compact organizer?
I'll show you now. Don't worry. I've prepared 3 strips like this. They have sticky tape on the other side. Now watch. Whoosh! Another one. Now stand up, and we can attach the parts to each other, just like this. And here we have our expandable organizer. We just need to secure them with Velcro. See how it works? Easy and durable. Ta-da! 4 individual sections transform into a compact cube.
Holy cannoli! This is super awesome! Let's hurry up and fill our cool organizer.
Okay.
That drawer is for paper clips.
Uh-huh.
Nice, nice. And push pins go here.
Okay.
Lots of pins. They won't get scattered now. And this drawer is for, I don't know what you call them.
Oh, mini clothespins. Done.
This one's for the ruler.
Uh-huh.
Cutter.
Okay.
And pens.
There you go.
These are for my pencils and scissors.
Here they are. Final touches. This section is perfect for stickers. We can sort them by theme and they'll never get crumpled. It's time to test our cool whiteboard. I can write a to-do list for the day. So convenient. Oh, let's test the marker section. They won't fall out by accident. Da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da, da-da-da-da. And pin it to Sam's corkboard. Guys, do you want to make an organizer like this? What do you think? Do you like it? If yes, give a thumbs up.
Share this video with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Bye.